So, hello friends. Today we'll talk about mind line and what is the importance of mind line in our palm. We'll know in detail. But before we begin, I just want you to please subscribe this channel if you want to know the uh, regarding astrology and palmistry. So do subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, definitely you can like my video and share. So let's get started. So here you can see this is lifeline and this is mind line, and here it is heart line, Hriday Rekha. So this mind line we are going to talk about, it should be very smooth, dark in the palm. If it is very dark and smooth, there is no cut and no island, so it is considered very good line. And today we'll see there are many kind of lines, mind line, and what is the impact of that line. So let's begin. Yeah, now you can see this place is called Jupiter Mount, and if any mind line is starting from here, so this person is considered very good person, highly spiritual, and somewhere his thoughts will be very good, and he will not be like a mean person, he will be a good soul. And now you can see this uh, lifeline, and you can see there is some distance between these two lines. So if there is like this much distance, it is considered good. So such person becomes no a very bold, and they like to take their action, their decision. They don't want interference of anybody else in their life, and they are very independent, courageous. So this is considered very good actually. If someone is able to take his or her decision, and if they stick on that, that is considered very good. So they are not like, their goal is very clear, always they are very clear in their mind. And the second situation, if there is more distance, it is, now you can see it is more than like average. So this person becomes like a too much egoistic. No. So because of their ego, they don't listen to anybody else. And so what happens, they take action in a hurry, and sometimes they just make mistakes. So this much distance is not considered that good. Now this situation you can see, if my line is starting from here and this lifeline is touching, so this person is considered a very balanced person, and such person takes decision with time. Such person takes time to take any decision, and definitely such person is able to take decision uh, very well thought. So this line is considered very good. If such kind of line is in anybody's hand, so you can understand that person is very calm, composed, and able to take his decision easily and without any hurry. Now another situation, if this line is starting from here, okay, mind this lifeline is starting from like the middle of the mind line. So such person becomes like a too much sensitive, and in this case, this native, this person will take decision, but he will listen to others, and he will hesitate to take decision. So, and sometime it is also seen that such person has less confidence. So if anybody has like this, so they need to just encourage themselves more, and they just need to uh, give suggestion to himself that uh, they can do anything. Okay. So, and if somebody has this line, so they need to offer water to sun, so that remedy will give more confidence. Now another situation, if this line is coming and now this line is bending from here. Okay. And this is considered, this place, you can see the cursor, this place is considered Mars Mount. So such a person uh, takes quality of Mars, so becomes bit aggressive and irritated person. So this is also not considered that good. Now another situation, you can see, if this mind line is coming like this, and there are so many lines coming out from the mind line and going on the Mars, so such person becomes very confused in career, in every aspect of life. This person is considered very confused, they are not satisfied, they always just think that okay, I could have done much better, I could have done that. So this is not also very good sign, positive sign. So if some person has like this, they can change their mind if they are aware. Okay. Another situation, this is heart line, and if this mind line, which should come from here, but it is going like high, and it is about to touch the mind line, so such native has dominance over their emotions. So this native will be more logical. Okay. This person will believe in analytical mind and reasoning. Instead of taking emotional decision, he will take very logical decision. Now this situation, if this heart line is coming close to mind line, so now things are totally opposite. This person will take decision from uh, his heart, and he will use less mind, but he will use more emotions. Another situation, if this mind line is straight, so this person becomes very practical, and this person doesn't care about other things, they are just aim oriented, they just know their aim and they just follow their aim. So this line is considered very good. But if this line is just coming from here and till the end of the palm, so such person have the great mind and great mind ability. But uh, one more thing is here, such person just think about themselves only, they they are considered selfish. So this is good for native, but not good for relative of native. Okay. Now if this line is coming from here and now it is slanting and going on the moon mount, so such person becomes very imaginative, they have good imagination power, and they can be a good writer, because moon represents our mind and imagination power, and now mind line is coming on the moon mount. So such person becomes like more imaginative. And if this line is making a Y on the moon mount, so such person, there is very like much possibility of being a writer. Such person can be a very good writer. And if this mind line is like very short, like this much, so this person cannot complete his education. So such person will be less educated, and there is possibility that this person will be uh, you know maybe vulgar, and his mind will not be that developed. So this is something we need to take care of if someone has like this line. The second thing, if this line is starting from here and there is a one break, and then mind line again starts, and you can see there is, this is Saturn mount, and if this break is here just under the Saturn mount, so it is considered that this person may have chance of head injury, and there might be death also because of this head injury. So such person need to take care of their head, especially when they are driving. They just need to wear helmet, and if they are driving four wheeler, so they just need to keep tight their seat belt. Another situation, if someone has mind line like this, so you can see this, this is a kind of chain, so it shows that this person might be in depression. Okay, and life will not go that smooth, so he will have to just go through so many hardships. So this is also not considered that good. Okay, another situation, if someone has like this, actually I saw so many people with this mind line, this kind of mind line. If this kind of chain is in the beginning and later the mind line is good, so it means uh, this native will have some problem in the beginning of education, and later his life will be much better. So second half of life will be much better. And if there is a dots on the mind line, so it is also showing that this person may have like a time to time like depression, or no may have bad times, we can say, which can give sadness. So this is also not considered that good. Okay, the next thing, if someone has this kind of Y in the mind line, so this is considered very good. This person becomes uh, very practical. At the same time, he is very imaginative. He can be into music, arts. So this is considered very good. And if any line is coming from here and going on the Jupiter mount, so this is very good sign. This person will gain all the success in his life. Another situation, if this line is coming and now going on the Mercury mount, so such person can be a very good businessman, scientist. So this is also good sign. And if someone has two mind lines, so it is considered this native will have very good mind. Actually, his mind ability will be twice of a common man, from a common man. Okay, if you can see there are small lines going upwards towards the heart line, so this native may pretend of loving someone, but he will not love from the heart. So this is also not that positive. Okay, if there are these kind of island on the mind line, so it is also not that good. Actually, it can leads towards the depression. So this is also not that good. Okay, if this line is too much bending, so this person might be very good in imagination. He will imagine a lot. No, he would love to see dreams even in the day. In the day, and this person might fell into depression. So this line is not that good. Uh, Too much slanting is not considered that good. So today we have completed mind line. Hope you got to know all about this mind line, and you will be able to know about the mind, how it is going to be. No, so thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Do share my channel video and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.